Hello everyone, today I'm excited to introduce our new product design for Audi vehicles, a screen replacement upgrade. First, let's take a look at the installed unit. We've deeply integrated with the car's original protocols, so you can enjoy features like door opening displays, control using the original car's knobs, maintain the original system's display. All of the original car's buttons and functions are fully supported, including the rear view camera. Let's demonstrate some of the new system's features. You can play audio and video, control music playback, and volume using the steering wheel, and even stream online videos. Hello everyone, let me show you how our wireless CarPlay works. By simply turning on your phone's Bluetooth and connecting to the CarKit Bluetooth on your phone. After that, your phone will automatically connect to CarPlay. Now you can enjoy features like navigation, music streaming, video playback, hands-free control. You can control screen by using the car's knob.
Cause I need to know. You say I'll never get your blessing till the day I die.
You can also control volume using the steering wheel controls. You can also skip songs using the steering wheel controls. Hello everyone, let me show you how our wireless Android Auto feature works. Simply turn on your phone's Bluetooth and connect it to the car's Bluetooth shown as CarKit. Then tap on the Wireless Auto app on your car screen. This will allow you to control your car screen using your car knobs and using your steering wheel.